many types of options to do. That would be a better idea. Instead of grabbing too many home, you will not be. It's just too much.
Right.
I'm not stingy. I'm just.
No, you're not.
No,
Not
not
at
hardly.
all.
Yeah.
We're just trying. Is it gonna work? Oh. And I keep giving it.
You can't help yourself either.
Yeah, but it, as I said, I just want to give you more that you correct whatever information you have at before, you know. I don't use the word wrong, but it just you can compare what's different, and you have a choice to choose which one to stick with. I hate painting on.
Bubbles.
This one I paint 2-stroke because I loaded a little more, so I can paint 2-stroke instead of one, and I painted a little much gentle. Now that's dry. This white is still better than
And the gesso.
yeah.
Oh.
You see,
Uh-huh.
Just take it out of the big bottle.
That is
Yeah,
the gesso.
The gesso.
Yeah.
see this is better.
The poster.
Yeah.
It covers better.
See, they're white. Maybe I should let it open,
Oh,
then
thicken
it
up.
dry.
Thicken up.
Yeah. When I was live in San Francisco, I painted the Golden Gate Bridge, and I painted the Palace of Fine Arts, and I sold them.
We should kept
I
them.
didn't, but I didn't have a copy of that.
Oh, yeah.
And somehow, I don't know why I didn't make a copy of
Where did you exhibit in San Francisco then? Were you affiliated with a gallery?
it. Yeah, there's one that calls, it used to be called, the
In?
one in Fishmore where we get it right square, and then the other one is on Sutter Street where the gallery is. That's close to the academy.
What was the name of the gallery?
Swanson.
Swanson.
they
Okay.
don't have it
Yeah,
anymore.
I know Swanson Gallery. I used
Mr.
to
Brown.
I used to be up there all the time.
Mr. Brown. He closed it because he extended his gallery in Washington. He opened in the branch in Washington, D.C.
God, that costs a fortune.
Too greedy. That's the flying. Now That's no good.
Wet it, lift it out.
This.
Wet, yeah, that place that's torn.
See, Bob, they dry already.
Should have dry on that.
They dry
They're
already.
like-
There's a hole already. See that?
Yeah, just mush the paper back in.
So be sure that you. I do not want them to look dry. All right.
Wow.
You need your little hard thing.
Nope. This one.
Then
Part of his fitness
it's part of the fitness.
diet and exercise program.
Take that, take that.
Conducting an orchestra.
Bum, bum, bum.
That's what my hearing aid sings when its battery's going dead.
Oh, really?
The dud goes da 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 da.
Spray it.
Yeah, spray it.
If it's not dead dry.
That's not acrylic then.
Yes, it is. It's the Liquitex. Grasses.
Now this is another type of technique. It's not smooth. You again it.
Yeah.
See, and then it damage it. Brush quite easily. So be fast, but only
Barely on the surface.
yeah. Otherwise it
Yes.
open itself.
Split the brush.
See that? Well, depends how you like it.
Some darker, bigger.
Someone
It's all good.
One more.
anything else you want to see? Again, I'm gonna stop asking this. All right. Now, the next thing to do is a statement, and that's it.
Okay.
All right. What time is it?
It gets to be
Time for lunch.
lunchtime.
My tummy-
1:10.
One
My
ten.
tummy was
Oh no,
telling me.
we're early. Go. Yesterday was 2 o'clock.
I know. it was too late.
We were shaky. We
Yeah.
were so hungry. We ate
Running.
blood a little.
Yeah. So in that case, try not to camouflage it again.
Right.
Okay.
Let
Draw.
it be. Draw a little line out.
Yeah.
And
Around.
create it
Become
as part.
another.
Yes.
Let it grow into another mountain.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah,
Alright.
all right. Well, you were experimenting with this new gesso? Is it?
Gesso.
Just gesso.
No, it was normally white would that happen. Okay, that happened. As long as you, before you put the white on it, you just absorb some of them. Oh, okay, sit. 係咪你啊？係啊，樓上好熱鬧啊！係啊。
It likes her too.
我哋一陣去食飯㗎。我一陣去食。This is Yvette.
Hi, Matt.
Nice to meet you.
Pam.
Pam.
Hi.
Hi.
Connie.
Hi.
Bob.
Bob.
Pam.
Joy.
Joyce. Sally.
Sally. Nice to meet you.
Who arrange. And then they come and pick him out. And then we go to the restaurant. I would never go to the restaurant.
On your own.
No.
唔該你，我想問Canby 街嗰個 識買印幾多號電話？8796002係咪啊？唔該你。
8796002啊！
6002。
哇！佢係真人
He's
聽
got that, it's not running.
佢咁快㗎？
係啊，
佢點佢
佢哋賣告白㗎嘛。
咩叫賣告？
咁你想你個餐廳多人嚟食嘢，你咪將個電話俾佢，咁有人打電話嗰個係一個資訊咯，打去問，咁咪話俾佢知咯。
咁佢有咩益？佢哋話點解？
先買印係咪？訂台今晚幾點鐘啊，老師？7位。問緊。
How about 5:30 or 6?
6時咯，好冇
Six.
？6 o'clock 6點啊？係啊 ，James James。
Jim
幾多號電話啊
559
？559
8791。
8791。唔該晒，拜拜。
唔該。
唔使。
哦，嗰個需要問電話幾多號啊？300。
係啊，嗰個叫738，我嗰個打300。
你記唔記得好耐以前你嗰個手提電話？
記得。
嗰啲叫做 call as you。
係啊。pay to pay 係書高啊嘛。
係啊。
嚇。
嗰個咧，嗰個電話號碼咧仲喺度㗎。
係啊。
因為我冇 cancel 嗰個。
佢一段時間之後先 cancel 㗎。
唔係啊，已經咁
好
多年啦。
嚇，都未有人用咯，因為可能 pay 書高嘅人少咯。你想用翻嚟啊？
梗係唔係啦。
哦，我唔使理佢咯。
唔係，我梗係唔使理佢啦。但係咧，我即係話，奇怪，點解仲喺度嘅？我打個電話個響㗎。
係咪你仲有錢喺度？
係啊。
係咯。
但係咧冇用啦。
冇用喺度。
但係我
No,
係
no.
係你個名，
Sorry
係你個名嚟嘅，
係唔記得啦。
係你個名嚟嘅，因為我一路都冇
係咯。
轉名嘅。
係咯。太耐啦，我都唔記得咗啦。家陣老唔記得。
所以今個星期唔得閒啊。
係啊。
教你睇。
所以你唔得閒教佢哋。
係啊。係啊。See, you know, I can't.
But we're not that sorry.
搞我唔好意思。
But we would do it again.
They're not gonna like it. One day they will come and tell you, hey.
It's our turn.
You will tell them. We only have it for almost a week.
Yeah.
You have it.
Really?
Forever.
That's right. How long have you studied?
Over 10 years already.
Really?
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Should be 12.
Yes, 12.
That's over 10.
12.
Over 10.
Yeah.
Over 10.
Should be 12. And all together should be 12.
But only for watching is really enjoy.
Yeah.
Yes.
We've already learned he's a hard task master. What little time we Okay, so this is acrylic.
Yeah. So he did it with a cobalt Chinese watercolor, right? Cobalt watercolor first,
No, those
then
are yeah,
watercolor first.
And then acrylic.
Now acrylic.
no acrylic. Because I like the cobalt blue.
He liked the richness of it.
Yeah. I asked them to come by, drop by, to say hello.
Oh, good.
I didn't said you guys cannot come. They and then see how I teach workshop. Yeah.
Are you one-on-one or is there like?
No,
two
she
on-one?
quit.
Well, when you were learning, was it
she-
one-on-one or?
Or a class.
Almost.
Oh, was it?
Almost private lessons?
Almost. She's pretty good. She
That
she
says a
had-
lot.
Yeah,
She
that's
won
big
prizes
Ah,
Nice. Is her
with the
painting,
competition.
is her painting
Most of my
In the
students.
show up here?
No, no. She's better than that.
Yeah.
yes,
Good.
yes.
She's better than that. But then too bad she quit.
Ah, oh boy.
I don't think she's gonna come back to me.
I will.
Maybe, maybe not.
No. That's just the colors.
Oh,
No, that's a much better color. And then we do the rest.
好靚呢個色，老師，
呢個藍色好靚。
好靚。
you think about this the whole drive home.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna paint
You'll be
this
painting
lesson.
all the way home.
In my mind.
Oh, keep driving your car. Don't look.
Yeah, no,
Don't-
but see, he's
don't-
gonna be looking with different eyes on the way home.
Oh my
At the
God.
mountains.
I
Let me
will
look at
be.
Mount Rainier. Hey,
I will
look
be-
at Mount Shasta.
Well, that's when you have to stop, you have to stop the car
Yeah,
and look.
I'll take